packing box, multimeter, watch pen, manual, complete accessories, battery installation. Remove the back battery compartment cover and put in 2 AAA batteries. The watch pen is connected to the corresponding port. DC current. Just connect the lines in series as shown in the video. AC current. Just connect the lines in series as shown in the video. Flashlight lighting. Not afraid of dark environments. NCV induction. When a nearby voltage is sensed, a beep will sound. 0 fire wire recognition. A beep is the line of fire, and a silent sound is the 0 line. DC voltage. Automatically identify the voltage, and the watch pen can contact both ends of the battery. AC voltage. Automatically identify the voltage, just operate as shown in the video. There will be a slight delay in measurement, which does not affect accuracy. Resistance. Automatically identify the resistance, and the pen can contact both ends of the resistance. Buzzer. The buzzer is automatically recognized, and a beep is issued to indicate normal patency. Diodes. Switch to the diode gear and touch both ends of the diode. Capacitance. A short-circuit discharge is required before the test. Switch to the capacitor gear, and the watch pen can contact both ends of the capacitor. Frequency. Switch to the corresponding gear and operate as shown in the video.